Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to design a website or app and start off on the right foot, today's tutorial is really going to help you out. We're diving into how to use Figma Wireframe Kits, one of the best ways to quickly map out your project's structure without getting bogged down by all the tiny design details. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find, use, and customize wireframe kits in Figma so you can bring your digital ideas to life much faster. Let's jump right in. First, it's helpful to understand what wireframes actually are. In Figma, wireframes are basically simple, low-fidelity representations of your website or app. Imagine them as blueprints for a house. The walls, doors, and windows are all there, but the paint and furniture come later. Instead of focusing on color and typography, wireframes let you work out things like layouts, navigation menus, and where each feature or button will go. This is super useful because it keeps you and anyone you're collaborating with focused on the user experience and core functionality before you get distracted by visual details. Alright, moving on to the practical part. To save yourself a ton of time, you don't have to build everything from scratch. Figma actually has a bunch of ready-made templates and tools, including wireframe kits. So when you're in Figma, head over to the Templates or Resources section. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on updates, but you're basically looking for an area where you can browse or search for design resources. In the search bar, just type in wireframe. Give it a moment, and Figma will pull up a selection of wireframe kits designed by professionals and fellow creators. Once that selection pops up, take a look through the options. You'll probably see kits with different styles, some laid out for mobile, others for desktop, or even multi-device setups. This is where you can pick a template that looks like it fits your project's needs best. Don't stress too much about picking the perfect one. The beauty here is that everything can be customized later. When you find a wireframe kit you want to use, look for the button that says Open in Figma. Go ahead and click that. It'll pull the kit into your workspace, usually opening in a new tab or window within Figma. With the wireframe kit open, you can now browse through its various layouts. These might include homepage structures, sign-up screens, or app flows. Find the pieces that work for your idea and simply select them. You're going to want your own editable version, so copy the layouts you like. Just hit Command or Control-C like you usually would. Then head over to your own project canvas and paste them right in. It's kind of like borrowing the scaffolding from a model building set and then attaching it onto your own property where you can modify and rearrange as much as you like. From this point, you can customize everything. Swap out placeholder text, drag elements around, add new screens, and remove features you don't need. If you're collaborating with teammates or clients, now's a great time to share your wireframes and get feedback, since everything's still in this rough, flexible stage. And that's it. Using Figma wireframe kits really speeds up the early design process and helps you focus on making your product make sense before you add those final design touches. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips to share. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.